I call the honourable member for Boothby.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. My question is to the Treasurer. Why is it important to start the hard work of repairing the budget now? What legacy did the Treasurer address as the government developed last night's budget?
I call the honourable the Treasurer.
Well, we need to move now. We need to move now, and I thank the member for Boothby for his question. He would remember 1996 budget. He was there with us, with a number of other members, and the fact was that it was similar in one sense. Coalition government is elected, Labor doesn't tell the full story about what the budget is, and of course in those days it was a $96 billion debt, $96 billion debt, $10 billion black hole, the Beasley black hole.
Rankin.
But this time around they've exceeded their record. Labor has exceeded its record. On this occasion, $667 billion of debt and $123 billion of deficits. And the Labor Party hold their hands in the air and say, no train crash here, no train crash here, there's no problem here. The debt is going up, the deficits are continuing endlessly, there's no problem here, unemployment is rising, there's no problem here, everything's okay. We did a fabulous job, they convince themselves. We did a fabulous job, the Labor Party convinces themselves. The problem is someone has to pick up the bill. Someone has to pick up the bill. And you know who has to pick up the bill? The taxpayers of Australia. The taxpayers of Australia have to pick up the bill. They're the ones that are going to have to pay for the reckless indifference of the Labor Party towards taxpayers' money. $667 billion of debt. And in the budget this year, through our decisions, we reduced that by almost $300 billion. In 10 years, that represents interest savings alone of $16 billion a year. That's the equivalent of building 15 new teaching hospitals every year. And the Labor Party wants to have its way. The Labor Party wants that $16 billion a year not to go into some other purpose that is going to build a stronger nation. They want us to provide that money as interest to people that we have borrowed the money from. That's their idea of a priority. Well, our priority is to have a nation that lives within its means. Our priority is to pay our bills as we go along. Our priority is to leave the Australian people with a better quality of life, and our priority is not to pass the buck to the next generation, asking them to pay for our lifestyle.